Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove the bands and power the watch off so nothing shorts while you work. Use a heat gun at low setting or a hair dryer to warm the back glass for 60–90 seconds. That softens the adhesive. Once warm, insert a thin plastic pick at the edge and gently work around to break the seal. Keep the pick level to avoid popping the sensor. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized in separate labeled trays. Once the seal is broken, lift the back glass slowly while watching for glue points and flex cables. You want to avoid tearing the heart rate sensor cable. If you see a cable, stop and use a plastic spudger to release the connector. Never yank. Remove the old gasket and scrape residual adhesive carefully with a plastic pick. Then clean the mating surface with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol so the new adhesive will bond. Make sure no dust. Place the new adhesive accurately, aligning cutouts for sensors and screws. This ensures a flat, even seal. Set the replacement back glass and press evenly from center outward to expel air. Use rubber bands or a soft clamp for 5 to 10 minutes, then let the adhesive cure 1 to 2 hours. Once cured, power on the watch and check sensors and charging. If the watch fails to respond or sensors are erratic, reseat connectors and retest. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.